You're looking for flooring that checks every box. It must be beautiful, durable, comfortable, and ideally waterproof and super easy to clean. That's not asking too much. For years, Longboards has been answering that call. It's one of Cali's most popular collections with coastal oak wood grains, natural colors, and easygoing style that is easy to love. So when we thought about what comes next, we wanted to take everything people love about Longboards and make it even better. That's how Longboards Icons was born. Longboards Icons takes that iconic coastal style and reimagines it in premium WPC planks. WPC stands for Wood Polymer Composite, and it's a game changer for luxury vinyl. WPC planks are thicker and more substantial than standard rigid core or SPC vinyl. That means they feel more comfortable underfoot. There's a cushioned quality to them that you don't quite get with thinner planks. And they're quieter too. If you've ever walked across a vinyl floor that felt a little hollow, WPC solves for that. The extra thickness absorbs noise, so your floors feel and sound more like real hardwood. Longboards Icons planks are 14 millimeters thick. That's extra thick even for WPC. The result is better comfort, better sound absorption, and a more premium feel. They're also protected by a 22 mil wear layer compared to the 20 mil wear layer on the original Longboards. That gives them even better scratch resistance. Icons also keeps everything that makes the original Longboards so popular. Realistic wood grains, light natural tones that work with any design style, and of course it is 100% waterproof, so you can use it anywhere, including kitchens, bathrooms, and basements. This is Cali's most premium vinyl yet. We've refined the details, upgraded the construction, and created something that delivers on every level. Cali, simply authentic.